Vamos. Yeah, we're here.
But next time you're gonna be together.
Yeah, but sorry. Hold here. Do you want it to lock? Buckle up. See here. You sit here. Great. Now me. Buckle up. You see? Or you can hold here, or you can hold here. Or you can hold my hand.
Please keep your arms and legs inside the ride at all times. To make your teeth and spin, rotate the handwheel. Is everybody ready? Here we go.
Push it, push it. Así. Oh. Do you like it? Say hi to the camera. Hi, Daddy. Say hi. Wow, this is funny.
Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop and the ride operator is coming out.
Did you like it?
Please do not run to the exit and have a great day.
We have to wait a little to not to fall because we are whoa. We have to wait. We have to wait for them on that. Tenemos que esperar un poco, ellos nos van a liberar. Yeah, Camila. Oh, mommy. Thank you. Give this to him. Careful. Come here. Come this way. Ven por aquí.